There are 3 phases to the Safety Modernization Program: preparation, installation, and restoration. This video focuses on the second phase of construction: installation of the gas mains, service lines, and natural gas meters. Once Phase 2 is set to begin, you might notice spray-painted utility markings on your block. These markings help our contractors and crews identify where other underground utilities are buried. No parking signs will be posted, and construction signs will appear once our crews move into the area to begin installing new gas mains and service pipes. Mains are pipes that bring natural gas to your block and are installed under the street, parkway, or sidewalk. Service lines are pipes that bring natural gas to your home and are installed under your lawn and/or sidewalk. Once all the pipes have been installed on the block, you will be contacted to schedule an appointment for us to install your new meter outside and transfer your home to the new natural gas system. This new system provides safety benefits not found on the existing system: an overpressurization protection device and safety vent, an excess flow protection valve, and an easily accessible safety shutoff valve that can be turned off in an emergency by first responders. As soon as everyone on your block is receiving gas from the new system, the old one can be retired or taken out of service. Please keep in mind that there may be pipes left on site and some trucks may be parked in the area while work is being performed. But for the most part, our crews will try to get in and out of an area as quickly as possible. At night, we will cover up any openings and properly secure them, leaving the areas safe. We understand construction can be disruptive, and we intend to minimize the inconvenience to you and your neighbors. So, on behalf of the thousands of Peoples Gas employees and contractor crew members working on the Safety Modernization Program, we thank you in advance for your patience as we work to replace 2,000 miles of the natural gas delivery system serving Chicago. Please watch our restoration video for detailed information about the final phase of this project. Peoples Gas. We keep life moving.